Welcome back to Sports 101. I'm Harshal and this is episode number 3. We are here to talk about cricket, India versus England. Today I have with me Sriram Ashwin and Dhaval Pujara. If you guys can say hi.
Hi Harshal, hi Dhaval.
Chal, hi Sriram.
Yeah,
You know,
pretty good.
you know, Two episodes of football. Now let's, talk about cricket. We eventually thought of discussing cricket on day 3 of India versus England test 2. But ऑल आउट हो गई यार बहुत जल्दी से ऑल आउट हो गई
Right? So
ending Pujara Kohli ending day 2 on a good note. We jinx about it that Pujara and Kohli will bat all day long. Then we have Pant, we have Rahane, and then we have extra batsman Jadeja.
I
एक
remember
घंटा
talking to you on day 3, like day 4 पे करते हैं ना, आराम से हो जाएगा.
yeah,
uh,
the same that the Australian coach said no, never underestimate the Indians. It can be both side, whether it can be lose side or it can be winning side. That's we
Yeah,
are
team can
Indians.
all out on 36 and team can chase
Win,
300 or something.
yeah, we can
you
win the
know
series and we can have a inning defeat also.
यार ऑल आउट कितने में हुए थे ऑस्ट्रेलियन टूर पे व्हाट वी गॉट ऑल आउट ऑन 46 ना
36,
36 we get out at
36.
36 imagine this team getting out at
Yeah,
36 and now at 78 अभी 78 पे ऑल आउट हुआ
yeah,
and
78.
this is our
Yeah,
78
first
all.
team. This
7.
is our first team. Okay, it's not that कि कोई injure है तो we have replaced these 1-2 players with them. 78 पे all out हुए. Anyway, so let's
We
talk about the second test which we won
we
at Lords.
we believe in collapses.
And let's talk about our SDs test. अब कल का ही हो गया आज का डे 4 तो खेला ही नहीं किसी ने. I'll share my screen. Let me know once you can see my screen. You guys can see my screen now.
Okay, I can say it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chalo, let's talk about the second test. Rahul coming back after so many time. Hasn't played test in a while, and that one away tour. He opened and he scored 129. That's a huge thing. So did Rahul impress you guys, or is it okay? Rahul scoring century. Isn't it every day now? ODI में भी मार रहा है बंदा.
Yeah, Rahul is in very good form and he is trying to give statement कि यार इतना अच्छा खेल रहा हो अब तो कोई टीम में मेरी जगह फिक्स करो.
They Rahul and Rohit, scoring 83 and 129, almost more than half of the team's runs. And then you have Pujara, Kohli, Rahane, Pant scoring how much? 90, 80, 90, just like Rohit, 83. बहुत कुछ अब इन पे आ गया है रोहित एंड राहुल पे. Anyways, we scored good in the first innings, 364. Jadeja playing 40 is good, no? He's in the team as
Yeah.
extra batsman, but still.
Yeah,
Even we scored 364 na. Root played very well and they were in lead after first inning.
I so hate root. आउट ही नहीं होता है बंदा. आउट ही नहीं हुआ.
But 2021 उसका year है bro. You can't do anything.
अरे चल धवल तू तेरे प्राइम में होगा. तू कितना भी सेंचुरी मार दे. इंडिया दिस इज इंडिया बेस्ट बॉलिंग. और कोई है दैट वी डिडंट पिक एज अ बॉल इन द बॉलिंग. दिस इज इंडियाज बेस्ट बॉलिंग एंड दे कुडंट गेट रूट. अरे यार मतलब इज दिस द बेस्ट बॉलिंग वी हैव? I mean, we don't have
yeah.
Ashwin in the squad, but still.
Even got it.
Yeah. We also don't have Bhuvneshwar na. Swing king.
भुवनेश्वर टेस्ट करके कितना बहुत टाइम हो गया है ना. आई वेरी
बहुत
डाउटफुल दैट ही विल कम
बहुत
बैक टू टेस्ट स्क्वाड.
इंजरी से ऊपर आए तो ना.
Umesh Yadav is not being picked up in this squad, so I don't think Bhuvneshwar
Yeah,
Kumar has any chances of coming back in the test. In the test,
I think Siraj is like have permanent place now.
see,
yeah. Even
I
Siraj
Siraj.
is good, yeah, because he had a best figure compared to all other bowlers. In Lords, he has a best figure till now. He is the most best economic bowler at Lords compared on Indian bowlers.
Is this Siraj
Yeah,
first England away tour?
Yeah. He
Yeah.
was the
Probably,
first
right?
two.
Right. Siram, if you can increase your brightness on laptop.
Yeah. Just a minute.
Yes.
Even Siraj took 5 for on Australia tour, bro.
ब्रो मुझे सिराज पसंद ही नहीं था पहले, बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था। आई थॉट ही केम थ्रू आरसीबी कोटा, कैप्टन भी उनका ही है, जैसे सीएसके कोटा था। नाउ यू हैव आरसीबी कोटा, यू हैव क्या है वो सैनी था, चाहल है,
हाँ,
देन यू हैव सिराज एंड केएल राहुल तो मतलब बैंगलोर का ही है, पर ही प्लेज ऑन पंजाब, बट वो आरसीबी कोटा से ही टीम में है। बट दिस गाय हैज इम्प्रेस्ड मी अ लॉट, दिस सिराज गाय।
dude, केएल राहुल का डेब्यू हुआ था ना टेस्ट टीम में, तो आई वाज लाइक ये कौन आ गया, कभी तो हमने नाम भी नहीं सुना इसका और ऐसा। और फर्स्ट इनिंग में आके आउट हो गया। आई थिंक
Yeah.
10 के अंडर ही सिंगल डिजिट स्कोर था। मैंने बोला
अच्छा।
सबका काम नहीं इंडिया खेलने का, इसको कौन ले आया।
Even for Root, this is the first century. It kind of ended in loss from his side. For England.
आई सो दैट मीम, सचिन और कोहली बोल रहे थे लॉर्ड का ऑनर बोर्ड देख के कि ये कौन सी पार्टी है जिसमें हमें इनवाइट नहीं किया गया।
यार look at Root, 391 from team's total and he has scored 180. This is a one man army, yaar. This is a one man army.
Yeah.
England
Again one meme I have. Root
बोलना
150 plus run alone. Kohli, Pujara and Ajinkya score 381.
अबे सच्ची में?
Yes.
Really?
अबे यार, too much.
I think Root is very close to the Bradman or to score
एवरेज में ना?
highest run.
Average, yeah.
Highest run in one series.
Non series. That two more matches left.
2 more matches. 4 innings left.
3 consecutive centuries on 3 tests.
Wow. We can't say Root he's playing good at home. He played in Sri Lanka and India just like this.
Yeah. Even in India, he is the highest leader scorer
In
for
Chennai
the
Test,
series.
he scored century.
Double
In
century.
Ahmedabad, I think there is no chance for them. Our Babu is going hard and hard.
Root should come back to limited overs cricket. Hana?
Yeah, in Ahmedabad, they are scared because of
one day
the.
is there. I think T20 is not there.
He doesn't like T20. He considers himself a book cricketer only who plays this ODI and Test previous formats.
You know, first we started Fab 4, na? We were like, Root is not suitable in Fab 4. Williamson and Smith and this Kohli is okay. But now he is playing like, oh my God.
If you see the in both the innings, none of the spinners from India got wicket. This is the second time which happened in cricket history.
And then look at this no balls of Bumrah. 13 no balls.
Oh God. Dude, that last one was horrifying.
Not a single wicket. He is ICC test rank player. He is not getting any wickets.
I mean, it's okay, it's test match, but he does this in T20 as well.
Yeah.
I know
I still remember the no ball to Jet Pakar Jamaran.
Champions Trophy, na?
Champions Trophy.
Final.
Abbe, yaar.
That was no ball.
And no ball. Yeah. And that 2 wicket.
Yeah, that 2 wicket.
Look at Siraj. No ball.
No ball.
Yeah.
And he is the highest maiden also. 7 maidens.
Wow.
Yeah. He has very unique action, na? Bowling action. Side arm se dalta hai wo.
Siraj is, he has reduced his errors, Siraj. मतलब bad deliveries है ही नहीं उसके पास. He'll just keep on bowling good balls and expect a wicket. And he gets a wicket.
Yeah. और थोड़ा अभी वो इमोशनली भी स्ट्रांग हो गया भाई. उसके फादर की डेथ हुई, स्टिल वो इंडिया के साथ रहा. उसको ऑस्ट्रेलिया में चांस मिला. लास्ट में तो वो उसको अटैक को लीड करने को मिला. देन डेफिनेटली इतनी रिस्पांसिबिलिटी आ जाती है तो अपना वो या तो तुम मैच्योर बन जाते हो या तो तुम फिर ऐसे बस नहीं खेल.
This will reflect in RCB as well now. RCB भी यही reflect होगा. Now you have a star bowler with you.
But RCB's luck factor is more reflecting.
कुछ नहीं, फेस वॉश बेचेंगे ये लोग, क्या करेंगे?
Dude, तू सोच, ABD विलियम्स का नहीं चल रहा, क्या ही करेंगे?
Guys, I recommend MRF. क्या shear tire, ZLX tire for sheer comfort.
ZLX. What comfort?
चलो second innings, you know, Rahul going early, not a problem, century score कर दिया भाई ने. Then your Rohit Pujara, you know, you said Pujara played well in second. 206 deliveries.
206 balls. Yeah.
Most in the innings.
अगर वो ऐसा खेलता ही नहीं तो लास्ट डे तक जाते नहीं हम.
Absolutely. Look at Jadeja. It's extra batsman. And look at Shami. Now you tell me.
Shami's six was like, oh god.
Strike rate is also good, yeah, for Shami compared to all other.
We all enjoyed Shami's batting. मैं तो बहुत मजा किया कि
power hitter, yeah. Once the ball, if he find the slot, then it's out of park on it.
You know the risk KKR did with Narayan. KKR ने जैसा नारायण के साथ रिस्क लिया ना to open, you know, get him at the opener. I think Punjab should risk it with Shami to, you know, at least at number 3 or 4, let him play 2-3 deliveries and get out. But at least he'll give you a 6, है ना?
Yeah. Sure. He's a compact player also.
The real point here is, अगर कोहली सेंचुरी मारता है तो हमें कोई खुशी नहीं होगी, बट अगर शमी 50 मारेगा तो हमें बहुत खुशी होगी.
Man, this Kohli has, you know, now we are used to his centuries now. कितनी centuries है यार कोहली के? He's way apart from everyone.
Even
expectation रख रहे और वो बंदा खेल रहा है तो ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
Yeah.
But जिससे expectation ना हो, वो आपको मैच जीता जाए, भाई next level है.
Yeah, Kohli wantedly took declare because if Shami got century, then they will speak like something, no. So he decided to declare.
But उस मैच में अपना एटीट्यूड बहुत ही सही था भाई, बहुत सही था.
Yeah.
Hey, Anderson, you know, he asked for ball and he did you know, he had a long last spell against Bumrah, but you know, due to this selfishness of Anderson, we had a good, Shami and Bumrah had a good innings.
Yeah. Even Root made the very bad decision to like ball them bouncers and all. You do your Yorker है, ये थोड़ी ना बैट्समैन है कि तुमको खेल लेंगे आराम से.
ये देख, ये नो बॉल्स देख इनके, just one no ball, that to Robinson.
No ball ठीक है, एंडरसन को कोई विकेट नहीं मिली.
These Lords happen on Independence Day, no?
Yes.
No, winning on 16th August.
Yes, Monday.
15th पे तो पुजारा खेल रहा था, सही खेल रहा था.
Okay.
ये इनका ये वाला innings देख. Indian bowlers ripped.
Memes.
Yeah.
There are 5 matches which happened earlier on Independence Day, and this is the first time victory for India in Lords. Independence time.
Is it that BCCI and ECB scheduled India-England tour during Independence Day?
During the August, no? Yeah. August time.
We don't want to pay Lagan only. तुम्हें 3 गुना.
15 अगस्त पे इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान नहीं हो रहा.
You know, Root 33, still highest scorer of his team. You know, bowlers play very well. Opener 0-0. देखिए.
Yeah. First time, in England, both the openers got 0 against India. This is the first time.
First time.
You know, previous match, Alistair Cook and who was the opener?
Alex Hales? Was it Alex Hales?
Alistair Cook.
With Cook, who is to open with Cook? Probably it was Alex Hales.
No, Alex Hales.
Saris. That guy name.
Anyways, don't Google. unbelievable. Anyways, not an
Okay,
issue.
okay.
ओ इस मैच का एक और भी रिकॉर्ड है भाई, ऊपर जा थोड़ा बैटिंग में।
Zeros,
सैम
right?
करन 0 दिख रहा है।
Oh, first ball man, first ball.
Sam Curran,
Celebration
yeah.
अलग लेवल का किया सिराज ने.
नहीं, दिस इज द फर्स्ट किंग पेयर।
First king, ये
दोनों
क्या
इनिंग
रहता
में
है?
0 पे आउट हो, दोनों
Is
इनिंग
it?
में 0 पे आउट होने वाला फर्स्ट प्लेयर।
अबे सच्ची में पहले
Oh,
बॉल
in
पे
first
गया है
innings also he
वो.
got that.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes. ये
yeah,
देख,
yeah.
Sam Curran 0-1.
Sam
ये
Curran
कहाँ से?
0-1.
Sam Curran
दिस इज
0-1.
नोन एज किंग पेयर।
Okay.
Okay,
Who?
nice.
I think England first player to do it. Yeah, England's first player to do it.
Nice.
You know, memorable test at Lords. You know, anyways, अपना टीम बहुत ही सही था. Not comparable
बहुत
to
सही
Gabba.
खेला है, टीम तो
Everything
सही
new
होता है।
कि क्या करना है अपने को.
हाँ,
पर
but Gabba was special.
Gabba was special, and still, you know, fans are comparing Lords to Gabba. You know, winning at Lords is, you know, unique. You know, हर रोज तो नहीं होता है, but this team can win anywhere. मतलब थर्ड टेस्ट छोड़ के.
Yeah. और लॉर्ड्स में तो अपने जीते हुए हैं, गाबा में तो किसी ने ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हराया नहीं था।
Right. Let's look at toss.
Won the toss, obviously. Yeah, last test, we won the toss. That obviously we decided we will lose.
ये अभिमन्यु ईश्वरन तमिलनाडु का है क्या?
Yeah, he's a Tamil Nadu player. Yeah,
Which
Abhimanyu
district?
Easwaran.
कृष्णागिरी.
No,
हनुमा विहारी को
Krishnagiri.
काउंटी खिला रहे हैं,
He's
उसको
from
टेस्ट
Dindigul.
स्पेशलिस्ट बुला रहे हैं,
किसको
उसको
काउंटी
मैच में
खिलाया?
क्यों नहीं खिलाया? हनुमा विहारी
खेलेंगे ना. अरे ये देख, एक भी प्लेयर इंजर्ड नहीं है, एंड यू कांट से ना कि पुजारा की जगह विहारी खेलेगा या रहाणे की जगह. किसको निकाले, किसको?
बट एक एक्स्ट्रा बैट्समैन के साथ खेल सकते हैं ना।
हाँ, गाबा ऑस्ट्रेलिया टूर पे क्या हुआ, एक प्लेयर तो कैप्टन तो ऐसे ही चला गया. यू नो, ही हैड हिज पर्सनल थिंग. बाकी के तो
Yeah.
इंजरी हो गए, तो एवरीबॉडी गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. सबने अच्छे ही खेल लिया.
भाई बढ़िया खेले थे वो तो, मतलब इमोशनल हो गया।
I think we'll have Ashwin in place of Jadeja next test. चलो let's look at the test we
जाडेजा
should be
भी इंजर्ड
forgetting.
चल रहा है ना शायद।
हाँ, न्यूज आर्टिकल देखे या थर्ड टेस्ट देखे अभी?
थर्ड टेस्ट ही देख लेते हैं, फिर लास्ट में फिर मीम डिस्कस कर लेंगे।
You called it memes and not news. Okay, scorecard. चलो, India won the toss after very long time. Kohli winning the toss.
One thing I wanted to ask, who does it better? Commentary, Sony or Star?
Who? ये देख, मतलब मैच तो तभी देखता हूँ मैं, मतलब काम के बीच में एक मैच देखना पड़ता है मुझे तो मैं, पर जब सोनी पे हर्षा बुगले होता है, यू नो, ही डज मैच डे एनालिसिस, उसके बाद भी करता है पोस्ट मैच, तो मैं उसका मिस नहीं करता हूँ. हर्षा बुगले देखता ही हूँ मैं.
अच्छा,
और उस पे कभी कभी मांजेकर भी आ जाता है, तो उसका भी देखता हूँ, कुछ बिट्स एंड पीसेस बोल देता है जडेजा के बारे में.
No, I am to missing सिद्धू यार, ठोको
नहीं, मैं कमेंट्री इतना मतलब सुनता ही नहीं हूँ. अगर मतलब टाइम मिले तो ही कमेंट्री, नहीं तो ये एनालिसिस तो देखता ही हूँ भोगले का मैं.
That one game we were playing against, that last T20 series किसके against हुआ था? श्रीलंका ना? हाँ,
Yeah.
ये जो नई टीम गई थी खेलने, तो वो ऐसा बोल रहा है, वो ऐसा किसी ने शॉट मारा और वो बाउंड्री पे जा रहा था, तो जैसे शॉट मारा ना, आवाज, और फिर कैच हो गया. इतनी अच्छी नहीं
आई. मतलब यू नो, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ विनिंग अ टॉस इज 50%, पर ये कितनी बार 12-13 बार हार चुका है टॉस कंसेक्यूटिवली.
21 I think.
Oh, 21.
Yeah.
चलो,
Which
still Kohli, you know, he has lost toss consecutively for a longer time now.
Yeah.
चलो,
जीत के
India
भी
choose to
मतलब
bat.
हार के हम मैच तो जीतते.
Yeah. like look at the amazing innings by top players.
You know, when we lost Rahul, it was okay for me. मतलब, he has done his first test and he knew what to
Yeah,
do,
yeah.
but still he couldn't.
Dude,
ठीक है, राहुल गया.
ये मैच के बाद ये मैच में हमने एंडरसन को इतने बाउंसर डाले, एंडरसन इतना गुस्से में आया है, आते ही 4 विकेट एंडरसन, सॉरी 3 विकेट एंडरसन लेके चला गया। और वो एंडरसन की सबसे बड़ा
decided
बेनिफिट यही
England
है।
once they got the top orders, they decided they want at least they decided to go for a massive attack, like they can bowl like something. Yeah, you saw the bowling
Yeah.
strategy.
And
Everyone they are
bowling at only one line.
yeah,
Fifth stump offside. Yes.
sorry.
ये देखा, Moeen was given only 2 overs.
2 overs.
Only 2 overs.
Yeah.
स्पिनर नहीं, फिर स्पिनर ही नहीं है, सबके सब स्विमर्स. विकेट मिल रहा है, चलो सबके सब अटैक ही कर दो, फुल अटैक. सेटल होने ही नहीं देना है. रहाणे को तो स्पिनर देना ही नहीं है.
भाई रहाणे की ड्राइव कभी कभी देखता हूँ तो रिस्की लगता है यार, उसको थोड़ा सेटल होना पड़ता है.
आई थिंक हाँ, रहाणे को थोड़ा मॉडर्न डे में आना चाहिए. टू मच बुक क्रिकेट.
हाँ
सब मतलब पूरा एकदम क्या 100% शॉट ऐसा ही जाना चाहिए, ऐसा देख लेता है. थोड़ा फ्लेक्सिबल होना चाहिए T20 के जैसा. He plays T20 like that.
वो थोड़े बॉल खेलता है फिर वो करेगा, बाकी उससे स्टार्टिंग में तो नहीं हो पाता.
You know, एक साइड पे विकेट जा रही है and then you have Rohit. You know, I think he played responsibly, but नहीं कर पाया इसके बाद. 105 balls is good. You know, playing one side.
Even he had talk about this in the press conference.
It did Jadeja. Rohit played during Jadeja as well, ना? मतलब यहाँ तक खेला ना Rohit?
Which one?
Rohit played till Pant or Jadeja.
Yeah. You can see go near
Pant and Jadeja was there, I think.
Pant, okay, till Jadeja Rohit played.
Yeah.
Till Jadeja Rohit played. That is okay. Very responsible player. He knew कि okay, वो एक साइड उसको टिक के खेलना ही है. I think, you know, Rohit and Kohli should decide this. They both are senior most. They play all the formats. You know, they captain. You know, they are leaders of their all respective teams. उनके mindset ही होना चाहिए कि either one of them should be there to, you know, lead the innings. Okay, if they don't, but
तुझे नहीं लगता कि कोहली की जो मेंटालिटी है वो बहुत डिफेंसिव हो गई है?
कोहली की
या एटीट्यूड की बात नहीं कर रहा, उसकी बैटिंग की बात कर रहा हूँ.
I think, you know, he is having bad days right now. कुछ तो अलग करना चाहिए. I don't know. कुछ तो मतलब कोहली he'll do something. He'll come back.
T20 वाला फॉर्मेट खेलना चाहिए उसको, टेस्ट में एक बार ट्राई कर सकता है.
I think Kohli should look to change his position. कुछ तो करना चाहिए अलग.
Yeah. He can come at the first down or he can open the innings for the next.
Yeah. कुछ तो अलग करना चाहिए कोहली. He'll bounce back surely. Century मारेगा. I think he'll come up with century for next test.
Next test.
You know, no matter how much I troll Kohli, but he's an Indian player. You think Ashwin will come back?
Yeah, once he find next match, I suggest Ashwin should come there instead of Jadeja. Because Jadeja is not he can play, but this pitch and this entire team, no, they are not sufficient for this ground. They must study the ground and they must say the pitch is good for the spinners. And Ashwin had a more best figures for England side, yeah. So he can.
Ashwin also have county experience, na? This year we have sent him to the county to play county cricket for Surrey, I think.
Also, in that also he got more wickets, yeah. Best figures for 8 wickets in an innings. Yeah, I got that.
Look at this England's innings.
खिला सकते हैं, but बापू तो बापू छे boss.
On day one we couldn't get a wicket only, है ना? India got all out.
Yeah.
And this Rory Burns and
Hamid.
Dude,
Anyways,
I was
Jadeja
like,
got him.
this player are for, yeah, I was like, this player made for zero only. They will
Shami will get FIFA.
just give,
Rohit,
yeah.
Bumrah will get 3. Siraj will get 2.
हाँ
हाँ,
ना, इनको तो बस पेड़ पे डालो, एलबीडब्ल्यू हो जाएंगे, हो गया खत्म मैच. But they both made 50. Good.
Joe Root with 1 more century.
Oh, dude,
He's the
don't
most
talk about it.
consecutive fours also. Yeah, he's. I think in the series, most fours is for Root only. He scored 62 fours. Yeah, in 3 matches.
62 fours.
62 fours.
Strike rate 73.
73.
Dude,
I think as a
I
captain,
used to watch this. I
Yeah.
used to watch Root Academy videos on Instagram. I was like, he's not playing this any of this shot in matches. What is he doing? But
See,
good. He's playing like dream year.
what I saw in the matches is Anderson, when he bowls 3 balls off swing, and at least he will try 1 ball in swing in that over.
Yeah.
But what we are doing, the first ball, what we are putting like is same for every next 5 overs. The same thing. Once the batsman
But
got the slot, he used to go for that. Not
हाँ.
but
even
we
a
don't
single.
have any swing ballers, na, except than Siraj. We have deck ballers.
Yeah.
बुमराह और सामी क्या कहते, बॉल
At
का ऐसे
least, yeah,
बीच पे ऐसे जोर से
one
मारते
bounce
हैं.
or one
वो हाँ.
Yorker. No, all the 6 balls are in the same line.
Dude, Anderson, मतलब इतने एज पे आके तुम एक ही बॉल डाल रहे हो, कोई फास्ट बॉलर हो.
Yeah, he still goes and takes a long run and still balls, in a test match.
At
Legend.
first, Overton was not that much impact. Yeah, later on, the Overton, he got that slang and he got the method, so he gone for bang. Players are
Robinson था ना इस बार.
they will see now the Indian player prepared for Anderson and Quran.
Broad.
Overton come out of syllabus.
Yesterday, Siram, what did you think of India's batting on day 2 when it ended? What did you think? What was India's approach later? Pujara on 90s and
Yeah,
Kohli in
90s.
40s.
No,
What do you
I
thought?
thought this Pujara got the match, so he will end for the next 2 days. At least, even if he got century, that number will be 91, and even he got one life. He got DRS, and then the next ball he got out.
अरे यार,
इसका भी तो मीम आया था डे 3 के बाद. पुजारा ऐसा बोलता है, टेंशन मत लो, तेरा भाई खड़ा रहेगा.
We as a fans now we jinx a
And
lot.
even in
कमेंट्री वाले का
the
कर सबसे गंदा होता है भाई.
he went for DRS for this also. Then he got out in DRS.
वो
No?
उसका ऐसा हो गया, न्यूजीलैंड में रोहित शर्मा आउट हुआ था ना साउथी के सामने, उसने प्ले करने का ट्राई नहीं किया, बॉल अंदर चला गया. ये नया आईसीसी रूल इज वेरी हार्ड.
I think Root misses the DRS in this for Rohit in this match, or it was previous match.
I think it was.
Previous
I think it was
match.
previous. I think it was previous match.
Okay.
Rohit Sharma getting
But
out
time was
against
over
all
इस मैच
comparison.
में तो even Kohli's review was like Kohli was walking out and Rahane told him
Rahane,
to
yes,
take a review.
lifesaver Rahane. But क्या ही किया रे extra runs
Yeah.
लेके.
50
I think-
करके गया अपनी भाई achievement.
Let's move on to the news articles. What is the headlines? India not beaten despite bad day, says Mohammad Siraj. Now Siraj will do this.
Let's talk about our famous boy.
अरे Jaro.
Yeah. Even if he bat for the second day, definitely
Bro,
India will
he goes in
stand
for
for that.
batting. Oh,
You saw that
nice,
video? The
nice.
one man is throwing the bat. He forgot the bat when reaching the ground.
Someone told me that he has done it in the Olympics also.
he on his page he has uploaded such incidents. He has done such things. वो कभी स्विमिंग के बीच में घुस गया, he does the jump. कभी फुटबॉल के मैच में घुस गया, he takes the ball and goes to goal post.
Lifetime ban
Ban for
in
head.
Headingley.
Jarvo banned.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, but he was very entertaining. Jadeja was talking to him and saying him that, okay, take your position in the field.
Okay, Virat Kohli hints at possible changes in India's bowling lineup in fourth test against England.
Yeah.
But
I
he
think
told
he will
that
come
we
for
are going
bowling.
with four pacers.
I think Ashwin will come back. Ashwin is coming.
Ashwin is
He
coming
should come,
definitely
yeah.
because
He should
England
come.
have too many left-handers.
In 54 minutes for 7 wickets to fall is a little bit hard to take. Gavaskar reacts to India's
Okay.
collapse against England.
Yeah, but this is true, yeah. That whole day they played for only 2 wickets, and the rest of the day in 54 minutes everything
Yeah,
gone means what is the match?
This is very
That's why
unexpected from this
India,
team.
yeah, India can go
definitely.
up to level high, and even they can come to the low level also.
रविंद्र
Now
जडेजा
they are
को
saying that
हॉस्पिटल
we
ले
know
गया.
how to come back.
Okay.
I'll read this
I think he
article.
won't play for our next match. Definitely Ashwin is coming in, yeah.
रविंद्र जडेजा को हॉस्पिटल ले गया. फील्डिंग के दौरान घुटने में लगी थी चोट. Bad news for
I
Team
think we
India.
should use Surya Kumar Yadav as much as possible.
I think I'll prefer Vihari over Surya Kumar Yadav in Test right now.
But Surya Kumar Yadav's age is 31 or something. Okay.
नहीं अच्छा
So he
player
has
है.
left only 5 to 6 years of cricket he have left. So definitely India should use it.
Let's see.
ये एक साल पहले ना ऑस्ट्रेलिया had taken, Australia did a two tours, a class 1 team and class 2 team, and now that India has adopted the same concept, I think India should do this more often, send their second team also.
Yeah.
ठीक है, रेटिंग नहीं बढ़ेगी. I don't know what are ICC rules for two teams. They are not, I guess, क्योंकि your two teams are simultaneously can play test, क्योंकि दोनों टीम जीतते तो you are getting more points in World Cup championship, right? So I don't know if it can be done, if it's possible, but बहुत सारे
नहीं
players
ऐसा
है
तो नहीं
यार.
हो सकता क्योंकि हाँ WTC की भी कोई गाइडलाइन होगी यार. टाइम
Right.
टेबल सेट है
At
सब.
least OD limited formats तो और ज्यादा करनी चाहिए with the second team.
हाँ.
I suggest that India should have one left arm swimmer, yeah. At least one. No swimmers for
But
left
we
arm.
don't have that much of speed, na Sriram. We have Natarajan who is bowling at
Natarajan.
130 only.
Hello Jevdev Unatkar, तेरी बारी आ चुकी है.
Dude, ऐसे महंगे player है ना दे.
चलो hey, let's wrap
One
it
more
up.
thing.
हाँ बोलो.
One more thing I want to ask. Now, Natarajan is fit. Shreyas Iyer is fit. What do you think about T20 team?
Very difficult, यार. I don't know. India should have its own tour. मतलब India versus India A B कर दो एक President 11, Prime Minister 11. See who plays well and who is in form. Just take them.
We have a batting lineup. Very tough.
But bro, think about it. अगर राहुल ओपन कर रहा है तो फोर्थ के लिए सूर्य कुमार यादव और श्रेयस अय्यर को लड़ना ही लड़ना है.
क्या करते हैं? Let's do this more often cricket discussion. We have so much to talk about. IPL आ रहा है, World Cup आ रहा है वापस. This tour is still going on. Let's do this more often.
नाम दे.
Cricket discussion continue करते हैं. Thank you Sriram, thank you Dhaval for your time. I know we all are working, in the COVID, doing our bit to, decrease the COVID cases. Chalo, we'll continue this, we'll do this more often.
Sure.
So thank you everyone.
The last line I want to say, Virat Kohli said in the press conference, na, we know how to bounce back.
Yeah.
Yes, 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 yes.
Definitely.
Agar,
Next
if we
match
can't
India will
bounce
win.
back, I think senior players should go home, let the juniors do the job, and we'll get one more kebab.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, if next match is draw means we will say Kohli to rest, Rahane to take the captaincy.
Then Rahana will score century.
Yeah, we
Yo.
will send Jado and beat the Kohli.
Chalo, you know,
Chalo,
please,
chalo.
chalo, thank you for viewing this video. Please share this video with your cricket fellows and those who don't watch cricket. Let them know how cool is
Yeah,
this sport. India's not national sport, but we all love it. Chalo, thank you for watching, and we'll come back with more episodes on other sports as well. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank
thank
you
you, boys.
also.
Vivek.